Hello, I'm Rachel Fagan, and I'm wanting to talk to you today about hard disk defragmentation utilities, which is an optimization process on your PC. When you're placing your hard disk in your computer, you need to check and see if it's SATA or if it is also SSD. Now, SSDs do not work well with defragmentation because they do not have certain heads to write or read like other disks do. So it is recommended to go in and disable defragmentation on those type of disks. Now for your SATA disks, 1, 2, or 3, you can set up a defragmentation to create a defragmentation on a hard disk in your control panel. And you can access this easily through the command prompt by putting in defrag. And once you get into the control panel, you want to go to the tools of security and maintenance. You can do all kinds of different things in this as shown in this PowerPoint. You can create a scheduled time, which is recommended to do weekly. You can do an hour, or you could do it immediately right then and there. By creating the defragmentation, you are taking all of your fragmented files throughout your whole system and copying them in one place together, and then taking that and making it easy to access and to control what happens to it. This is a good way to back up your system and to manage your disk properly. There are many ways to access different files on your computer, but mainly you need to use the File Explorer. Now, if you go to the Start menu to access your control panel, you want to go to Windows System in the Start button. By doing this, you can pick and choose which one you want to do this. Or you can just go through your File Explorer and click on the disk and then click Control Panel and go into your security and maintenance. On SSD drives, you want to disable this, and you can do this also in this control panel under security and maintenance. Anytime you're having trouble with your disk or accessing your files, you want to turn your computer off and unplug it and check and make sure your disk is connected properly. You can do this manually through the motherboard and the disk drive, or you can go into restart your computer and go into the BIOS. Everything is showing up that is supposed to be showing up in your BIOS. It tells you what disks are available on your PC. But when you do this disk defragmenter on a Windows system, which Windows automatically does for you, you are causing your computer to run faster and keeping a healthy maintenance in your system. By doing this, you can access your files easier because they'll be all together in one place on one disk, and it reads through the heads on the hard disk, which is always good for a computer system. It accessing your files faster, it can do the backups faster, and it can cause you to not have to worry about going in and setting these up regularly, because luckily enough Windows does it for you. Thank you. Have a good day.